Doing the exercise using a balance ball or stability ball estimates the impact of a hard surface on the spine, which helps you perform the movement more precisely. It also helps increase lower back strength, support the spine, promote better posture, and prevent lower back injury.
I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
Because of its ability to target the entire core, the Swiss ball crunch should be a staple in your workout. The exercise primarily works the rectus abdominis or six-pack muscles and the transverse abdominis. But when performed properly, it also called on muscles that stabilize the hips and lower back.